Hello my friends, today I show you how to make this amount for one day easy and fast. Look at this guys, do you want to make money like me? This is my official Telegram channel Shark1x Games and me Shark1x Bet. Official channel Shark1x Games, Shark1x Bet. If you want this real working hack for one win official website for Aviator Predictor, 2 February 24 years, you see, Shark1x Bet, my official, this is me. And my channel Shark1x Games if you want a real working hack. Okay, let's go to the Google Chrome. You see this one win official website. Flowers. Games. All this real, you see. More balance, personal account. Live chat. Actual fresh date, first time, 2nd February 24 years, and let's go. I want to show you how it's works. Go to the Aviator Predictor application, go to the one win, Aviator, just wait a little bit and you see next coefficient when Aviator stop, just wait. 1.98 next coefficient guys when Aviator crash. Look at this, my friends. Amazing, this is amazing, it's worked perfect. All this action in a real time. Now I'm placed $72, place a bet and show you how I win money. You see next coefficient 5.28 and look how it's work again. Amazing, it's worked perfect, you see, it's amazing. Okay, let's go place the next bet. 3.98 next coefficient and look how I win money again, my friends. Amazing, it's worked perfect. Let's go. I place the next bet. Next coefficient 4.63 guys. It's real good and big coefficient. I like it. And look how I win money right now. 4.63. It's amazing, all this real and work perfect, my friends. As you see, it's amazing. My official Telegram channel and me, guys, if you want this real working hack for one win official website for Aviator game. It's amazing, all this real, guys, and work perfect. You see my bets, you see my bets, you see my balance. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdrew it to my Visa card. This is my deposit today, 2nd February 24 years, actual first day, my deposit today. Actual fresh date, first time, 2nd February 24 years. Thank you for viewing, my friends. If you want to make money like me, write me in my official Telegram channel. Have a nice day, my friends. Write me in my Telegram.